Hi, I'm Sahil from serverfather.com, and after installation of Virtualmin we can see how to use the Virtualmin basic level. So first you have to configure Virtualmin as per your requirement. You have to see and choose the options like preload Virtualmin libraries. So I'm clicking on yes. Run email domain lookup server. I'm pressing a no because I don't require that. Run clam AV server scanner. So it's a basically antivirus. So I'm giving a yes, but it will consume your RAM. You here see virus scanning options. You can install it in your dedicated server or a VPS server. Run spam association server filter. Run spam association server filter. Yes. I'm pressing next. Spam association filter is also needed. Okay, here is the option for MySQL server. You have to choose if you want to run a PostgreSQL database server or MySQL server. If you want to both, then select the both. Yes, but right now I needed MySQL server, so I'm pressing yes on a MySQL server and press next. After that it will ask you for a password of MySQL server. Here you can see. Now I'm giving a password of virtual1. This is my password of MySQL and next. You have to remember that. Okay, as per your MySQL server requirement, you can configure your MySQL database size. Here I am giving a medium size or a small system size and pressing a next. Okay, what is your primary server? So I am giving a ns1.serverfather.com. If you want to skip, check for resolvability, then check it, press it and press next. Okay, password storage mode. Here I am giving only store hashed password because it's necessary, today we need a hashed password, encrypted password. So I'm giving, don't give the store plain text password. It will give a breach in your server. It's not good for your server, so give the hashed password, encrypted password and press next. Now Virtualmin post installation configure is now completed. Okay, all done. See, you can see here all done. Post installation wizard is finished. Press next. Okay, now once your installation is completed in your web interface, you can see all options here. Run check and refresh configuration. Now it's finished. Here you can see the system information. Okay, kernel, CPU averages, operating system, Webmin version. This is the latest version 1.7.20. Okay, and here you can create your domain. You can also create from Webmin, but if you have another domain, then you can create from here give the domain name virtual server. It's considered as a virtual server. Like I'm giving a spiderfinder.in. Description, no description, password, and enable features. So I don't need these features, so I am no need of this feature for me. You can see here. Now I have a virtual server, so spiderfinder.in. This is my domain. Spiderfinder.in. Okay, now you can see here also another panel of Webmin and Virtualmin. You can host multiple domain from here. You can configure your Apache Webserver from here. You can see when I give the domain name, it's host here, and this is the directory name. Here you can configure Apache server. Here you can configure bind DNS server. Your mail server, the quote IMAP part-3 server. Here is your MySQL database server, postfix mail server. You can configure all options from here. You can see from our next tutorial, you can learn how to host your website in Virtualmin. Thanks for watching for this video. Thanks a lot. I am Sahil from serverfather.com.